Hello guys, welcome again to the engineering concept. This is the remaining portion of our properties of material. This is the part 2 of properties of material. Why we need to study about the properties of material? What is the basic concept behind the properties of material? What is the introduction of properties of material? And about the properties. So these all things I have discussed in my previous video. So you can go there and watch to that video and can gather some knowledge. So I wrote different type of properties of material: strength, ductility, brittleness, elasticity, plasticity, stiffness, malleability, and hardness. So in this properties of material, I have discussed some type of properties, but these two properties are remaining to study. So we will discuss about the malleability and hardness, and we will discuss about the difference between malleability and hardness. So before know about the difference between malleability and hardness, we need to study behind the concept of malleability and hardness. So let's start about the malleability. What is the definition of malleability? Malleability is a property of material which is drawn into a sheet through a hammer or the impact load. So I wrote this malleability of material. It is a properties of material which is drawn into thin sheet. If if this is a sheet and I applied an external load through a hammer, if this is a hammer and I applied the load of hammer to this sheet, then it will be convert into a thin sheet. This is the material. I don't know about this material. It can be iron, copper, aluminum, but I suppose that this is a material only. When I applied an external load through a hammer to this material, then it will be convert into a thin sheet. For example, if this is a material and this is a hammer, and I applied the load of this hammer to this material, then after continue applied a load, then this material will be convert into a thin sheet. So this is the malleability of a material. And next is the hardness of a material. We will discuss about the hardness of a material. Hardness, it is the properties of material which resist scratch, wear, surface abrasion. In hardness, we will discuss only about the surface of a material. In hardness of a material, we will talk only about the scratch, wear, and surface abrasion. If, for example, if I scratch to my skin, then it will be a scratch. But I scratch to the window, then it will not be scratch easily, because window mirror is a hard material, but skin is not a hard material. So a scratch is easily occurs in the skin rather than the window mirror. For example, if I scratch to this pen, then it will not be scratch, because pen is a hard material, because pen is made by a hard material. But if I scratch to my skin, then it will be a skin easily. So this is the property of material: hardness.